Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Here's a little bit of what I've been working on this week. So, tune in this week. I got some gospel going on to uplift you, to inspire, to motivate you. You know, sometimes it's a beautiful thing to be uplifted with the spirit and just enjoying your uh, your day, whatever that is, and just enjoying what you do in life. And then also a new song that I'm working on. I want to sing a little bit of it today. So thank you so much. But most importantly, I want to thank you, and you. Thank you so much for inspiring me and keeping me uplifted and encourage me to do the things that I'm doing right now. I started in the pandemic with music and digital creations. Prior to that, I have a passion for fashion and beauty. That is my background, and I see the beauty in music and how um, creating music, it's such a beautiful experience, and I hope to share that with you and keep you just brighten up your day. So today, this is a new song, a little bit sneak peek. Okay. um it's a day of rest. Where can he be? Finally reading my letters. Here's what it said. Dear Barbara, I love you. I miss you. Sign R&B. That's what it said. Barbara Campbell from Brooklyn, New York, Croydon Heights, and that is my song. That is what I'm working on. So tune back. So much going on this week, but most importantly, head over to my YouTube page. Subscribe if you like. You are welcome to subscribe. I post regularly, weekly. Right now, I'm just covering BC Original Rehearsal Series, as there's so much going on right now with, well, we're still in a pandemic. So, but as we're moving forward and enjoying music, I really want to talk about the importance of supporting artists in the music industry and why it's so important to buy CDs, to listen to vinyl records, and to just listen to music. But most importantly, to support the artists in this craftsmanship of music. It's such an important time, and I think that we forget because we're so busy. We forget how important it is to pick up a CD or to order a CD. I don't know where you can pick it up, but you could definitely order a CD online. One of your favorite artists, hopefully soon, Barbara Campbell music, be live on air. But even like a vinyl, just listening, just taking a day, right? Like any day of the week, and playing a vinyl record, okay? Or a CD from beginning to end, looking at the cover, looking at who wrote who played what is that guitar I hear? What is that drum? Who's on drum? And what about the band story, like, or the artist story, like, take a day this week and do that. You're really going to awaken all these wonderful moments that you have with yourself or with your family, just listening to a CD and just enjoying it. Most importantly, as well, if you have like a vinyl in your record player, just like, drinking coffee or tea and just sitting there and reading the cover of the vinyl and just listening to it, even if it has these beautiful, depending if it's an old record, might have these wonderful static kind of like, but that's part of the process of listening. And I think that we need to listen more and enjoy the moment, especially if you are listening to these wonderful artists of the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, and all these creations that have been happening till now, and how it is so important to um, support independent individuals, bands, however, the music creation. We are in a time that if we don't, like, sometimes it listen to music, uplift your soul. I always talk about music heals the soul. So it's very important that we don't forget that, to incorporate that in our day, in our schedule, whether it's 5 minutes, a minute a day, or half an hour, whatever it is that just keeps you in spirit and uplift you and puts you in a good mood. Music does that. It does that. Listen, everybody, let me go. I know you got things to do. But I want to say thank you to you, and you. Thank you so much. You have lifted me up. And I talk about all these things that are happening, pandemic, uplifting now, starting your business, so much going on. A little music heals the soul, and it will uplift you today. So tune in, subscribe to my YouTube channel, find me on my website, and listen to Barbara Campbell music, and tell a friend, and even create a playlist while you're at it. But music is key this year as we're going into 2022. All right, everybody, till then, you count your matter, stay in Brooklyn, and I'll see you in the next minute. Barbara Campbell from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights, an independent digital music artist creator. Bye bye.